Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add spacer and divider in Elementor. So once you have opened your Elementor page and then go to the left panel and then here search for spacer, and this is the widget we are gonna use. Click and drag and place it here. Now you can make the spacer more bigger or you can make it smaller. Now we are gonna use divider. To use divider, just go to the 9 dot and then here search for divider and then again select and place it, and here the style solid. Right now it's solid, you can make it double or you can select other. So there are a lot of style, just choose any of them. And then the width, the divider width, so you can select the divider width. Alignment, you can make it left, right, center. Add element, you can add element like text or icon. And then on the right side here you can see style, you can change the divider color. Just click on color and you can add any color. You can change the divider width, you can change the divider gap. And that's how you can add spacer and divider in Elementor. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.